almost like more local villages. Man, I love this place. It's good, guys. So, it's like settlement for fishermen. A lot of fishermen here. Yeah, I don't know. I love this place, man. Look at this. Wow, wow. See this place. It's beautiful, beautiful. So just are the tools for fishermen. See this? This for wow. I'm going up there, so I love this view. But it's damn dirty. Dirty. See some big dog. See them. See. Love this place. When I'm done, hey. I can't swim here. The water is dirty, so dirty. A lot of muddy stuff, like too dirty. Like I want to swim, but it's too dirty for me. Can't really go inside the water at the moment. I like going inside the water, but the water is dirty. I can't literally go inside this water. So dirty, bro. I can't go inside. The view is beautiful. I'm gonna see more beautiful places here. So once I go there, you're gonna see how beautiful the place is. I'm gonna climb there and take what is it called? I'll go up and take a view from up there. So you're gonna see how beautiful this place is. Okay, I'm still going the other side of it. Okay, you're gonna see how awesome the view is. Some dude coming from there, like this fisherman, like the canoe for fisherman. They can paddle. I can paddle, literally do this. Let me try to shoot this dog. Shoot. Shoot. Is that the fisherman? They're coming back from fishing. Or probably like going fishing, right? I hope so. Like this. This case. I didn't even know the bridge is this big. Like I was thinking it's just short bridge, very long now. You can see it's very very long. Okay, so look from there down there. Okay, let's go. Like we're gonna go another place. I wish to swim, but the water is dirty, very very dirty. Like if I can, I will go inside this water right now. But the water is dirty. There's no way you can literally get inside the water. Okay, a lot of mud at the end of it, and so I can literally go inside the water. It's rotating. I might get stuck. Okay, no one here to rescue me, so I don't play with something like that. Okay, I wish I have someone to just paddle me there back. I love it. I'm gonna love this big time. Well, I can try that myself. check, let's explore more of this place. Let's see what is there. There's no way out there. I'm gonna go back, I guess. Okay, I can see like some people there. Okay. I literally access this place from here. Okay, let's go. I hope I didn't get lost. I hope I'm not gonna get lost. Gosh. Okay, see if I'm away a little bit. No, I'm lost. There's no way out here. I'm going back, probably going back. Because you can see there's water here. Okay, thank God. This way. There's way out here. Sure? I'm not sure yet. Let's try this. Let's see. It leads to the dry land. Shit. I'm getting more confused now, so I don't literally know where I'm going now. Okay, yes, this one is heading outside. Yeah. I'm gonna put my leg into trap. Okay. Probably I found my way out. Yeah. Yeah, it's probably I'm outside now. See, I'm close. Okay, it's a big boat for dredging. Love this place. Okay. Yeah. Boats for dredging. Let you see. Oh, I love this place. I'm under the bridge now. Under the bridge. So some of this place is. Keep away, look at. Okay. I can love it. I love it.
Where's your video?
Yeah, I love Billy's thing.
Hey, wow. 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 Wow.
Leave them.
Wow.
That's serious, but the water is dirty. I didn't want to go inside the water, but it's dirty right now, so I can't go inside. Dirty, kind of smelly. Okay. What's it called? Cattle headers are really messed up the water. See them all over the place. I'm just gonna show you the place there. So where they are. So that is it. So I wish to swim. I feel so hot now. Like I'm so hot. I've been out here for some minutes now. Usually like so. Go to another place again. Let's go. Love this place. Just warm up. Okay. Go now. Yeah, I'm looking for a place where I can go inside the water now. Okay, but this place I've been, they're all dirty, and I'm not comfortable here. So I'll still go further a little bit to see if I can go inside the water. Going in, I'm going. I want to climb the bridge now, so I'm going back top of the bridge. Let's see if there's a way here. Oh man, gosh. Ṣé ọ̀nà wọn báyìí? Ṣé ọ̀nà wọn bí báyìí? Okay. I'll try to speak their dialects. I'm struggling to speak the dialects, man. Whew. How am I doing it now? I'm going back to the bridge. Let me go back to the bridge. Okay. Okay, I should take this way rather. Just go like it's an abandoned building. Oh, okay. So this was constructed by federal government. I don't know. It's been abandoned. Just going to check the place. Okay, I'm back to the main road now. Okay, see, this is fish. The e-base too. This is for eating. You want to buy fish, a lot of fish. Okay. Let's show you. So, over here. Going to the top of the bridge now, you can see how beautiful the place is. Okay. Back down. I'm gonna pull my back down, but nah. I'm just gonna do something. I want to take pictures like serious. Okay, see from here. Let's start from here. Let's see how beautiful. This is the ship I was beside some minutes ago. You see this? Okay, ship or boat? Boat rather. That was it. That is the boat. Okay, see how beautiful the place is. roadside now, on top of the bridge now. See, straight, yeah, the place is so beautiful, man. Like, you should have some like drone show you the overview of this place, okay? Sky view, what is it called then? Come on. You see, literally, you're gonna see how beautiful this place is, okay? I'm getting close to where those cattle is, like, okay, cows, okay? Head of, what is it called? Like, that's where they graze, okay? See them, a lot of them there, okay? There were modern days when I came some hours ago, modern days, but now literally, I'm going far away from it. Yeah, I'm just trying to get a place where I can get into water. I'm so hot now. Okay, I need to cool my body off. See these people there. These are the fishermen. This is one of the fishermen. Okay, she's a woman. Fisherwoman. What is it called? Wow, wow, wow. That's right. Let's go. I'm still gonna swim. Man, I'm so sweaty now. Okay, I need something to cool me off. I need to cool off. Big time. I need to cool off. Big time. See, it's beautiful. Just find time to go out in the nature and connect. Okay, make fun, have fun from there. Okay, doesn't cost much. It doesn't cost much, bro. Just enjoy yourself. Little you can afford, enjoy it and be grateful for that. Okay, if this is what you have access to, bro, come on, enjoy this. Okay, you have something better than this, more fun than this. Enjoy it. I don't want you to have any excuse to always be in the mood, in the blues. Okay, just enjoy these beautiful moments, this beautiful nature you have access to. Okay, I love it so much. I love the city. I love it. Okay, probably once I move to the city, this is what I'm gonna miss. Okay, I'm gonna miss this particular part, big time. Okay, cause I'm planning on moving back to the city. Okay, so I'm gonna miss this. Though there are a lot of places there in the city that are like this, but I don't have access to them easily. Okay, I have to travel some distance, some hours before I can get to a place like this. Okay, because the city is big, so before you can get to places like this, you have to go far distance. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna miss big time, right? So you see how beautiful the place is. Yeah, these are the cattle. Okay, they are grazing already. Ooh. Okay, like last 2 months, all these places were covered with water. Okay, you see the water has gone down a little bit. The water level has gone down a little bit. Okay, see. That way, I'm not gonna have access to water. I guess like everywhere is muddy. Yeah, see those cattle are really messed up. The whole place is okay. You see, that's why I can't be going inside this place. It's more. If I should step there, I might get stuck beside it. I carry photo. Yeah, yeah, good now. Yeah, I keep. Senu. Senu. No, no, no. Ba kudi. Ba kudi. Nawa. Nawa. Dubu goma. Ah, ya yawa. Ni ba kudi. Ya sai. Asani. Senu.
Wacha video mima.
Yeah.
Dawa na video.
Yeah.
What you are using?
I use one myself now. This is snail, right? Snail meat. Okay. Senufa. Oh, meat. Man, I love this place. Like, so those are the headers, okay? Those are the cow headers. Okay. This. Hopefully, I'm not gonna have access to water, I guess. Can we go like this? Yeah, I don't go sink inside. I don't go fall inside. Okay. I go pull life for this place. No. Not for me. For you, you know YouTube. Now no catch fish. Now lake Congo miss na they catch. Now fish me I want. Oh, nama. Nama go na. Yeah, just kind of scared. Like always have issue with other tribes. Okay, those are the cattle headers. We call them Fulanis. Okay, here in Nigeria, we always have this conflict between them and other tribes here in Nigeria. Okay, they believe to be like very good at terrorizing the country. I don't know, you know. Sometimes these things are the result of fear of other people hurting them. So they were doing all of that to protect themselves. Okay, see those ones that are friendly, though they are close to the town. They have no choice to be friendly with me. You can't ask anything funny or stupid here. Okay. Okay. It's place is dry land. I have a young cow here. I shouldn't get close to it because the mother cow is literally staring at me. Okay, young calf too. Okay, that is the mother cow. You guys, is that the mother cow? No. I think that is here. Yeah. Literally staring at me. If you do anything stupid, I'm gonna like, hey, stay away from my kids. See, they're grazing this way. They graze. Come on, there's no water here, man. No water. I wish I could swim here. No fun place where I can swim. But there's none around. The one around this place is messed up. So you see, I'm literally taking some steps away from those young cow. The calf we call them, I don't know. So I don't want to get too close to them. The mother cow might get angry. Hey, stay away from my kids. So I don't want to play around myself. So beautiful place. So this is more like countryside, right? Most of you can relate. Yes, you can relate. So I poop on the floor like this. Yeah, I love this place. Okay, this place is dried already. I tell you, like 2 months ago, all this place covered with water. See right now, water has gone down. It's so beautiful, beautiful, innocent. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Come on, I couldn't get a place to bath, okay, to swim, to go inside the water. Man, all the place is messed up, okay. See those cows, they're literally messing the side of the river up, okay. So I can't literally go inside right now because of that. Everywhere is dirty, muddy, okay. I'm feeling messed up totally, okay. So I wish I could get a place, a good neat water I can immerse myself into straight away, okay. I feel so hot now, okay. So I wish I could cool my body off big time, man. But right now, I don't think I'm gonna get something like that. Okay, so good. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. I love you. Take care of yourself. Matthew, peace wherever you are. See the like. Okay, this one is kind of aggressive coming towards me. Okay, see this? Like one of the mother cow. So I should stay away from him. It's like he's ready for trouble. Okay, let me stay away from him. Okay. Hey! I see it's coming towards me. Like, what are you doing here? Okay, just like, be careful here now. I don't know what is up to. I was scared. It's kind of aggressive, okay? If you come close to my keys, it's gonna be a problem. Okay? How to like stop? Hey, stop! I was moving. He was coming close to me. Okay, this one is being territorial, big time. Okay, like, hey, stay away from her. Don't come close to our kids. Thank you guys. Love you. Wherever you are, be happy. Have fun with yourself. At home, with your loved ones, nature, sport, whatever it is that you love so much. Okay? Enjoy every single moment of your life. Okay? That is it. Some advice for you. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Bye bye. So bad I couldn't swim today. I felt so bad. Okay? I wish I could swim. Wish I could swim, guys. Okay? I hope you love this beautiful place. Okay? So more places like this is gonna come, right? Love you guys. Take care. Bye bye.